Welcome to the final project presentation of Group 2. Our goal is to use a machine learning approach to implement an automated DJ. In most music software, every time we switch from one song to another, there will be an interruption in the listening experience. Many songs also have a long intro and outro, which can lessen the audience excitement, especially in a music festival. So our team decided to implement an automated DJ that can generate seamless music mix, harmoniously giving a collection of recorded music. The automated DJ will offer a better listening experience for the audience while also having a much lower cost than a human DJ. Also, a DJ is a skilled job that requires both an understanding of music and expertise in using a specialized equipment. Most of the past research only focused on optimizing the work by minimizing the amount of discomfort, such as optimizing individual crossfade, but the general mix audio progression throughout the mix is generally not considered. As our project dataset, we download all the sounds in the mix that featured by artist palm tracks, and we use an existing approach that has been generally used to achieve our goal. The original sound collection contains 30 sounds and can be generated to a mix that is 2 hours long. In this presentation, we will include a small part of the mix to show the transaction between different sounds. The figure shows the visualization of the subsequent mix to track alignment for the mix featured by palms.
In order to generate DJ mix from a given library of songs, we generally have two steps. First, we analyze each song and annotate the information we need. Next, we connect songs in the proper order and effect. During analysis, we consider 5 features, which are beat, downbeat, segmentation, key, and singing. Every song in the given dataset will be annotated by these 5 features. During our mix, we will consider track selection and cue point selection. Finally, we create this crossfade between songs. For beat and downbeat tracking, we use the onset detection algorithm based on the idea that beat happen in the loudest or most prominent places. And since the songs in our dataset are all EDM music, which are all in 4/4 measure, so once we get the first beat, we know all the downbeat are 3 beats later. For segmentation, we use the novelty-based structured segmentation method, which assume the structure boundaries are accompanied by significant musical changes. We split the input audio into half-beat frames with a quarter-beat hop, extracting their male frequency cepstrum, then using cosine distance to calculate their similarity. The adjacent 2 frames with the least cosine similarities can be considered as the boundaries. For the key FH songs, we use the essential libraries to extract them, and during the sound selection process, those songs with 1 semitone lower or higher from the current song would be considered as a mix for the next song. Time stretching and up or down sampling would be used during the mix. When 2 songs both have singing voices, it is important to avoid mixing them directly. We used an SVM classifier to label the songs as vocal or instrumental. Our system would prioritize mixing an instrumental song for the next if we are currently playing a vocal song.
Because we want to make our DJ transition softly, we would like to use cue point selection. The transition type is choosing pseudo randomly by means of a finite state machine that specifies the probability of selecting each type. Here is our result. We have softly transit our DJ pitch music. The next music will be louder, while the former one will low down. As there is little work for DJ mixing, there is not too much method for comparison. Hence, we asked 40 people to judge the results between us. And here is the result. We have got more improvement than them.
In conclusion, our team was able to develop a working automated DJ system based on machine learning methods described in the paper by Len van Leeuwen from Ghent University. Although the original code was designed for drum and bass music, with some modifications and hyperparameter fine-tuning, we achieved good result on pop music as well. Using the automated DJ system, we can provide users with the same music experience at a much cheaper cost compared to that of a human DJ. This will be a gospel for music lovers around the world. Thank you very much.